everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shayla Jai for those that are new here. In this video we are gonna open up my Boxycharm. I just got it today, and yeah, and I'm gonna be going to work in like a few hours, so for next 2-3. It's good that I am doing my makeup. So anyways, Boxycharm is a every month subscription. Retails for $21, and you do get full size makeup products as well as skincare products. That's about it. I did my eyebrows, so that's what I did do. But yeah, let's get on into this. So when you open it up, you get everything all packaged in there. You get the card that has the theme as well as everything that is in the box and the price and what it retails for. So yeah. So these are the first little things I see. These are the Ace Beauty Glimmer Shadows. Glimmer Shadows. I got mine's in the shade Ice Latte, and this one's in the shade in Cotton Candy, and I'm just gonna swatch it here. Ooh, that is gorgeous. Oh my, they're so soft and buttery. I'm not too familiar with. That is pretty. It's like pink with gold shimmer flakes in it or something. Ooh, that is gorgeous. Ooh, I might use this today. I might use this. And buttery it is. That is pretty. Gorgeous. Okay. Alrighty. I'll see you, Ace Beauty. So these two retail for $25. I think, is it each or two? It just says $25. So yeah. So ooh, I do not know if I want to do the pink or that like gold color, because I really want to do this one.
Oh, you know I'm such a train wreck. I don't want to be too much, but I don't want to miss your touch, and you don't seem to give up. I don't want to keep you waiting, but I do just what I have to do, and I might not be the one for you, but you ain't about to have no boo. I know we'd be so complicated, but we'd be so smitten.
Next we have the Tarte Big Ego Mascara, shade black. Like my soul. Just kidding. Ooh, that is cute. Okay. So, oh, this one retails for, I didn't let y'all know, but this one retails for $23. So, gotta get really good mixture in there. I like the fatter ones. Next we have the from Wonder Beauty Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. So we have this. So I'm gonna use Glow Oil. Retails for $42. That's a lot. But I mean, ooh. Okay, so I'm gonna Ooh. Okay, so next up, it's just something I am super excited about, and I'm really happy that I got to get it in my box because I've been trying to get this for a really long time and it was always sold out. So yes, this is the Becca Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder. This retails for $39. And let me see if I got the... No, this is the... I think this is the translucent one. So, comes in a lot. Ooh, I am so happy. Whoa. Ooh, it looks like that. How cute. Cute. Okay, so I'm gonna... Ooh. Okay. Whoa! I'm like, is my brush wet? Holy crap. It feels like water and it's really cool. Like, it has a cooling effect. It says, oh, it is. You can set and refresh your face. So I'm gonna set my face with this. But it feels so like I checked my brush like, wait. Because I was checking my brush like, is my brush wet? Hold on, I'm going to use a different brush. No, it still feels like that. This is so weird. I've never tried this product before, but it literally feels like you're putting water on your face and it's super cool, like cooling. It's so weird. Okay, last thing in our box that we got is the Steve Laurent lip liner, and this retails for $15. So I'm gonna go ahead and crack this open. I hardly ever use a lip liner, ever, so we just gonna work it out. We're gonna see what it looks like. Let's do this. This was everything I got in my Boxycharm box. You know, the powder, the illuminating face oil, the mascara, the 2 eyeshadows, and the lip liner. This was everything in my Boxycharm box in the month of August. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll leave my link and everything in the description down below, so you guys can go check that out. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.